Today, I'll show you how to limit the cart total in WooCommerce. First, open your WooCommerce dashboard, go to the Order Limit plugin and click on Settings. This will take you to the WooCommerce Order Limit settings. Now go to the Order Total tab. Here, you can add a value for the cart total minimum limit. If you also want to set a maximum limit, check Enable Cart Total Maximum Limit and enter the maximum value. You can choose whether to apply the limit on the cart total amount or on the number of items in the cart. In this example, I've set the cart total with a minimum of 200 and a maximum of 500. Click Save Changes, then go to your store. Now, try adding 1 unit of lip shades to the cart. You'll see an error message. To place this order, your total cart amount must be between 200 and 500. Add more products to meet the set limit. Here, we've added multiple products from different categories. If the maximum limit is exceeded, the same type of error message appears. If you want the cart to only include products from one category, go back to the Order Total tab in Settings and check Enable Cart Total Single Category Limit. Save the changes, refresh the cart page, and you'll see a new error message. Your cart must contain products from only one category. Now, I'll remove products from multiple categories. When the cart has items from a single category, the error disappears immediately. Next, let's apply the cart minimum and maximum based on the number of items instead of the amount. Go to the Order Total tab, set the minimum items to 2 and the maximum items to 4, then save the changes. Now, go to the cart page. If you add more than 4 items, you'll see an error message. To place this order, your total cart quantity must be between 2 and 4. Update the cart product quantity to satisfy the limit. Finally, proceed to checkout. The page loads successfully, and you can choose your delivery method and place the order. Thank you for watching.